What is linoleum flooring? Dear friends, choosing the right flooring for your home is about more than just picking your favorite patterns, colors, and textures. Each type of flooring requires different maintenance, varies in replacement frequency, and can range in installation difficulty. When you think of linoleum flooring, you might first think of hospital floors, your elementary school cafeteria, or your grandparents' retro kitchen, not your home. But if you're looking for a water-resistant, environmentally friendly, and incredibly long-lasting flooring option, linoleum is a great choice. Linoleum flooring is a popular material that's easy to install, doesn't require much maintenance, and can last for years. It also comes in various tile shapes and styles to fit most aesthetics. So, what exactly is linoleum? It's aptly named as its main ingredient is linseed oil, which is mixed with other natural ingredients like cork dust, wood flour, pine resin, ground limestone, and pigments, and is pressed onto a woven backing made from jute, a natural plant fiber. Because it is solely made of natural materials, it's 100% biodegradable. Linoleum gets a bad rap because, in the past, it needed to be resealed regularly with liquid wax. But now, linoleum comes with a durable factory finish, requiring much less maintenance. Linoleum advantages. There's a reason linoleum is used in a lot of public spaces. It's incredibly durable. It can last up to 40 years with proper care. Unlike more delicate flooring such as wood floors and laminate floors, it is scratch-resistant, disguising wear and tear to hide its age. Since it is anti-static, water-resistant and antimicrobial properties make it super easy to clean. It is a great option for kitchens, bathrooms, and damp basements. Linoleum cons. Linoleum is a softer material, so it is at risk of getting dented by furniture legs or heavy appliances. You can mitigate this by keeping the floor clear of heavy items for 3 days after installation. Linoleum floors are also porous, meaning water can seep through them if spills aren't cleaned up promptly. The good news is if linoleum is sealed periodically with the right finish, it will stay water-resistant and stain-proof. Linoleum flooring usually requires professional installation, though, which can add to the cost. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.